In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your theme in Shopify. First of all, we are on the Home tab and we click out here on our online store and it goes to themes. As you can see right here, I have Dawn. This is my current theme. And then I can scroll down. I can explore the Shopify pre-made themes. Let's say I found a theme. I click on add. And then it will add it to my theme library. Right now it's installing my theme. You have to be very careful that you don't add all the themes in the Shopify library because this will decrease your Shopify store speed. After I have it has installed, I can click on publish. I'm just waiting. As you can see right here, click on publish. And now it has replaced my Dawn theme and refresh is now my current theme. If I know I won't use Dawn again, I can click on the three dots here and I can click remove. Like this. After I've done this, I can head back to the Home tab and I'm done.